Hi guys, I just want to do a dollar index, looking at price at the current moment, but in order to get to a conclusion we need to understand what has happened before. So this is the daily chart of dollar index. So what I do when I begin to analyze, I want to look at the price structure that I understand, keeping in mind that I must be careful with the trend. So the term trend must be your friend. It's a true term, it lives. So what I want to try and avoid every time is to trade against the trend. For this situation, that the trend is down, price is pushing strongly down using the Elliott wave. I see the swings, they are not overlapping, which tells me that this looks like an impulse move. So if it's an impulse move, it might be in motion of completion. So when I look at price at this moment, I label this one as wave 1, assuming this is an impulse wave, wave 2, and then wave 3, which is extended. So using my Fibonacci extension tool, I can actually project wave 1 through 2 to actually confirm that indeed this is a wave 3 rally. More often wave 3 end at around 1.618, but this extension pushed price to the level of 2.272, which is another common extension level for wave 3. And then, assuming this is a wave 4 move in a fashion of an ABC flag, I can actually try to measure the retracement of wave 2 through 3 to get the retracement of wave 4. In this situation, we find that the 8.2 level was the most favorable level. After price hit the 8.2, you see price rejecting strongly, which makes us assume that a new trend has begun. So the 38.2, it's a common retracement level for wave 4, which gives confidence to us as Elliottians to prepare for shorting the market. So I will begin to label this movement for a clear picture. This is wave 1, 2, then this is wave 3, this is wave 4. Okay, wave 5. Let me change the degree so that I can label the extensions. Okay, I'll use minor here, and then for here I'll use, let's label the extension. This is wave 1, wave 2. This is another extension again, which leaves us to say this is a wave 3 extension within an extension, wave 4, and then wave 5. It gives confidence when you can actually see the subdivisions of the wave counts, the interior wave counts. As you know that the wave 3 is made of an impulse wave of wave 5, and we know that if it extends, then we see a 1 2 1 2 as it has happened here. So seeing this type of movement, it gives confluence to analysis or what you're trying to match your understanding with in relating to the price structure. So this is an extension. Then I will label another extension, wave 1 2, wave 3, wave 4. In this case, wave 5 is an extension. So I have to change the degree again to, let me use submicro, and then let me use this Okay, this is it then. So in this situation, you can again label. You can see the subdivision of a flat A, B, C, and then it is important again to see the interior wave count of wave C. So this is wave 1, wave 1, 2, 3. You see wave 3 is extended, wave 4, then a subdivision of wave 5. It's clean, it's clear. So we label the big structure. This is wave A, wave B, wave C. Okay. Again, we change the degree. Change the color. Okay, we see now that wave 3, then A, B, C, wave 4. So now you see how wave 5 is ended here. It ended with the subdivision of wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me label it. Again, you can see the subdivision here of wave 1, 2, flat 2, wave 3, wave 4, shallow wave 5. So this is what we expect again for wave 5 to do here. This is was wave 5 of wave 3. Then we expect the wave 5 of the bigger structure to also make another subdivision of wave 1, 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and wave 5. I'm just trying to hide these ones. Oh, let me do this. Okay, let me do this. Okay. So now we see that this is wave 1, wave 2. We're waiting for wave 2 to wave 3. Again wave 4, wave 5. So this is the vision that we have about price at the moment. This is the vision we have about price. We assume that price has to make this full movement. Remember, this is a daily chart, so a lot of patience is required. So now we can channel this one to try and project the end of wave 5, the end target of wave 5. So we can use price structure to target wave 5, and again we can use the Fibonacci extension, measuring wave 1 through 3 to wave 4, and try to find where we might expect the end of wave 5. 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. These are our common targets for the end of wave 5. So yeah, this is it about dollar index. We expect this movement. We can again see price moving up, and then in case it takes out wave 1, then we can exclude it from calling it this one an impulse wave, because wave 1 and 4 they cannot overlap unless in case of a diagonal pattern. So this is it, guys, and thank you for your time.